Do you want to start your own online course free today? If you do, then stick around to the end so you can find out. Hey, I'm Henry from Product Creation Formula, and here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So, if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Alright, so here we are at a place called YesCourse. As you can see, what it does, it actually is a place where you can create your own course and have it all up and running. And you can actually do this for free if you wish to. But yeah, it tells you what you can do here. Step 1, effortlessly upload your content, set your price, build your customized promotional page, and publish your course. Now, this is really interesting to me because I'm looking at wanting to use this and see what it's like. And I'm wanting to actually create a course using this platform just to see how easy it is to do. Now, to be perfectly honest, I will sign up to this for the very first time today myself. And everything I'm doing on the fly because I have never actually touched this before. I don't exactly know what is involved or how to do it all. So I'll be stumbling through this much like how you probably would when you first get started too. Hopefully you'll learn by my mistakes, if I make any. Hopefully I won't. We'll find out. Anyhow, let's have a quick look. We can go down. First, I think we first of all should look at the pricing because the pricing is interesting. Go down here and have a quick look at the pricing. Now, over here, you've got free forever, but they have some limitations on the free one. Okay, so you can have unlimited amount of students, unlimited amount of paid courses as well as free courses. Website integration built in, look and feel, which is flexible, payment systems, instant and automatic, current selection, multiple, third-party autoresponders integrated, and then you got social media integration built in, a multiple media per lesson, that's also built in as well by the looks of it. Then you also have embedded email, video links, sales page built in, student discussion forum. You got secure student logins, student notifications, mobile device, and subscriptions, and it's all supported in the free one. Now what you do, this is where it starts to become a little bit more limited. Now you have over here your free student validity, and then you have your paid student validity, which 1 month and 2 months. Then over here you've got time limited offers not available, coupon codes not available, course bundle not available, graded exams not available, affiliates, you can't have an affiliate on the free one, and you can't do payouts for your affiliates on the free one either. You have autoresponders, which is mailing list, drip feed. You can't do any of these sort of things down here, which if you're wanting to create like a membership site, that might be something you want to look at. So, but they also have another option here where you can do 19% per student. So you're not actually paying to get started, but whenever a student signs up, you pay them 19% for every person who signs up. But that does allow you to have things like affiliates, exam quizzes. You can also do coupon codes and affiliate payouts automatic and all that sort of stuff. You've got all these other things built in. The only thing you don't have is add students manually, private course, and zero price coupons. You can't do those. And instead of having free student validity for 1 month, you still have it for 1 month, but then over here you got paid student validity 1 year instead of 2 months. And of course you also have your other ones, which are over here, $27 per month, built annually. But the thing with this one is it also has some limitations that are not cool. The one that I think is not cool is that they don't allow you to have graded exams and quizzes. You can't have an autoresponder built in, and you can't broadcast, customize, or any of these other things down here. Add students manually you can do, and you also have zero price coupons if you wish to. And of course, if you want to go for $97 a month, you can do this one here. And this carries absolutely everything. So let's get started on how to do this. First of all, let's build your course today. It's free. Okay, let's have a look at that. Click on that. Okay, so I've already started the process. Product Creation Formula Institute, I thought I would call it. And as you can see, it comes up on the bottom just here. Product Creation Formula Institute. Oh, by the way, the link for this will be down in the description down below. And here you just click on next and you move over to the next section. And this is where you can choose your payment options. You can choose PayPal and Stripe if you wish to. Let's go and have a look at Stripe. I'm just going to fuzz out any details here. And hopefully we can integrate our Stripe account. There we go. We're now going to connect that. Of course I have literally just blanked that out, so we can go click there. And in just a moment, I'll pause the video until it's finished. Okay, so here we are. Let's create our academy. Almost set there. Almost there. Set your details. Okay, so I'm just going to put in some details here. Alright, and I'm now going to hit submit. Your academy, all your courses will be available under a user-friendly address of your choice. For example, okay, so let's go calling this one Product Creation Formula Institute .official.academy. Let's hit submit and see what it comes up with. Thank you, Henry. We've created a special course to help you publish your course within 24 hours. This course contains 7 step-by-step instructions on using YesCourse platform and is free for all Academy builders. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to hit no thanks. Take me to my course, and we're just going to go straight there. It's just going to make life a lot easier. Anyhow, what we're going to do is we're going to have a little bit of a look around. So let's have a look with what we have here. We're in the outline section by the looks of it. Let's have a look at content. Have a look at that. Might as well have a bit of a scroll around while we're here and see what we have. Okay, so untitled course. Okay, started creating your own course. Okay, so we can put a picture here if we wish to. And you can write down a bit more information. Obviously, this tells us a little bit about what the course, what we can do to create our course. It looks like it's fairly step by step. Lesson 1. Let's have a look at that. And I'm assuming we can put videos and so forth in here. I'm not really sure how to do that as yet. Okay, let's have a look down here. You've got edit, media. Okay, so if we have a look at the media, let's add media and see what we have here. And see if it gives us an option to upload a video. Okay, yes, we've got audio, images, slides, videos. Not sure what that is, and others. So we can choose, say for example, video. We hit next. We get it from our computer. Just hit next. Choose the file, so we're just going to go confirm. We can just choose whatever file we're going to do. So I'm going to just grab the video from anywhere on my desktop and we will have a look and see what we can do. Hopefully this gives me the option to be able to delete one. So I'm going to choose this one. So I'm just going to quickly open this one up and I'm going to now choose this one. Now this is one I created yesterday, so we'll just hit confirm once it's finished and we will upload this into here. Now hopefully this will allow me to be able to delete the video, because if it does then that will be awesome. I'm just going to pause the video while we're waiting for this to download, because this could take a while. Okay, so it's now finished. Now what we're going to have a look at here is we're going to have a look at this and see how well it works and so forth. But let's have a look at what the page looks like. I'm going to open that up in a new tab and see what that actually looks like. See whether or not the media comes through easily or not. And see what it's like. Okay, so lesson 1. I'm pretty sure I'm in lesson 1. Okay, and there's the video. Oh, how easy is that? Okay, cool. There's the video. And if you wish to, we have other options here. We can add transcript if we wish to. What's the options here? What other options do we have? We can make it downloadable if you want to, or just viewable. It's up to you. Now we can also obviously add the title of the course as well, of the video. This is so far pretty interesting. Of course I've got it as an untitled course, but we can always change that. We'll call that one... Okay, so make money online without endless hours of work. Alright, so that's that. We can now update that. So far so good, looking pretty good. Now let's refresh this page over here and see what happens when we refresh the page. See if all that changes. Yep, although it still says untitled course. Not sure why it's saying that. It should be by rights refreshed. Let's go back over here. Because they're not untitled anymore, so let's go cancel that. It's certainly not untitled anymore unless I can click on here and figure out what to write here. Oh, wait a minute. Go back a little bit. Let's see what happens here. See if there's a way I can change this. As I said, I'm stumbling through this and learning it as I go. Okay, the next section might seem a little bit disjointed because in a moment you're going to be seeing it with the actual title of the course, but then it'll go back to where it'll have untitled course. The reason why is because I've had to cut and paste and change things around a bit. So I apologize for this section of the video being a little bit confusing, but hopefully you'll be able to get it. Alright, now it was at this point in the video where I took way too long trying to figure out how to edit this part of the title. So I'm now going to take you straight to the section where I had figured out how to do it. So let's now go over here to outline. Maybe I can do it here. Rename course. Here we are. There it is. We will call this one How to Create a Video Course in 5 Easy Steps. That will do. And we're going to hit update. And there we have it. Okay, so that's how you do it. So over here you got, oh yes, we got your make money online without endless hours of work. We can delete that if we wish to. You got untitled lessons. We can add lessons if we wish to. Can change lessons order, the order in which we do the lessons if we want to. And so forth. Let's go add a lesson and see what happens here. And we will just call this one lesson 4. And we'll hit update and see what happens. If we scroll through, we can have a look at that. Untitled lesson 4. Okay. Alright, so let's go and have a look at the settings section. Okay, so here we can tell the name of the course. Course settings. We can go availability settings. Course available. Limited to 365 days. You can change the plan if you wish to. If you want to make it monthly, you can make it monthly, I believe. Let's have a quick look and see what we can do there. Okay, so we go free forever, 19%. Oh, okay, this is where we choose what plan we use. Okay, got it. Right, got it. Figured that out. Okay, so we now have the scheduling setting. Public. Okay, so we got comment setting, trainers. And of course that can be you or whoever you want. You can put, if you have several trainers, you can use that. You have banners that you can put in there. And you've got completion certificates. Now of course that is for anybody who's completed the course. And then you got over here your social media. You can enable Facebook. You can do a number of likes and dislikes. All that sort of stuff. And you can add images. Alright. Let's go back to the basic settings, and so far it's looking pretty good. Let's go here to pricing, and you've now got your, this is a paid course, and you can go your payment details, and of course I've got my PayPal and my Stripe connection there, how you want to pay to do, and then you can put your address and all that gear there. I must have signed up to this at one point before in the past and never did anything with it. We also have the affiliate program. Once you sign up at the 19%, and then you also have your trainer's revenue share, and you can choose how much your trainers get. And you can also create an affiliate program, which I think you need to be an upgraded member if you want to do that. So I'm just going to click on that. And you can also promote the site if you wish to, and you can publish it and make it live. Instant payout will be disabled to start off with. Okay, so that's cool. So let's now go back to the promote section just here. Okay, so this is the default page. So I'm thinking, let's have a look at the create the default page. Okay, are you sure? Yes. Well, let's have a look over here. You got your thank you page that you can create. You also have your analytics and retargeting optional. You can use Google Analytics as well as Facebook's pixels. That's pretty good. Let's go here to publish this course. We click over here. Okay, so we can change a few things about here so we can actually make this work for us. Alright, so let's have a look at promote. There we go. Let's create the default page. Yes, I do want to do this. Now let's just wait for this to come through. That's better. We can choose the currency. But for me, I would want to use USD. Outright payment, and we can just put all the details here. We can do subscription payments if we wish to. We can do that through Stripe if we want to. We've got subscription payments. We can do monthly, 3 weekly, fortnightly, weekly, or yearly. It's up to you how you wish to do this. And price prefix optional. Okay, so that's good to know because I don't know what that actually is. We've got installment plan. Okay, so if you want people to be able to put a certain amount per fortnight or per week or per month onto it, you can choose your installment plan as well. Say for example you want to do it monthly at say $15 a month, $27 a month, $37, $97, whatever you want to do. So you can choose that as well. Number of installments, you can choose how many installments there can be. It can be like 4 or 5 or 10 or however you want to make it, depending on how generous you want to be. You can do it over a 12-month plan, so it's going to be a 12. I think I'll have a look at how many installments you can let you do. Yeah, 12 payments, and you can do it monthly if you wish to. So there you have it. It gives you, it's pretty flexible actually. I like how flexible that is. That's pretty good. Okay, so let's go over here, and we've done the pricing, and I think I might do myself. I might do the pricing plan for the $19 a month. So there you go. There you have it. All right, guys. This is called YesCourse. Now over here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And over here is a picture of an icon on my head. And if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. And bye for now.